And we have our first tentacle that I'm gonna put face down, of course, and I'm gonna shape it to show the tentacle like that. Face down again, place it on the pie, and shape it a round little ball like this. To create volume, cover my blueberry with another circle of dough. Make sure that it's really sealed. Put a little bit of eggs in the top to have those beautiful golden crusts, and let's go to the oven. We're gonna cook our beautiful blueberry pie, 350, about 25-30 minutes. And we're gonna grab in our freezer our shortbread. So I have my cold shortbread here, and with my knife I'm gonna start cutting a face. So we harm something big in the bottom, and then go back there. I'm gonna take my Ursula face into the oven. Cook our Ursula about 15 to 20 minutes at 350. Our Ursula is now baked. I'm gonna take some blueberry juice. You can cook it directly on the microwave just to extract the juice. And we're gonna paint her. Once the juice is gonna go inside the biscuit, we're gonna have a beautiful purple color. Start decorating it. So I'm gonna put eyeshadow right here and there. So this is fondant. It's easy to work with and it's gonna have a really cool effect. White fondant inside the mouth to create a beautiful mouth. Perfect, look at her. It's now time to bring Ursula to life. I'm gonna put a little bit of cream in the bottom here and I'm gonna glue face on the top just like that. And with my cream, I'm gonna create some hair for her. I mean, that makes all the difference. Mulberry, perfect.
Alright, so once we have our 3 circles, what you'll do, you'll get the rest of your pas de choux, and all we're going to do is go back and forth, back and forth. And you want to make sure that you go on both sides, like I'm doing here. You know, snip it with your hands, let it fall. Now I'm going to do the same thing again, go on both sides. And again, once you get to that top, you let it fall. And we have the final circle. And you can already see how colorful this looks, and this is gonna fry into each other. All right, so now it's time to let it fry. Once we get this golden color on both sides, I'm gonna take out the oil, let it drip, and you can see how the design is. So I'm gonna go put this on our grill. Now while it's hot, you'll take some powdered sugar. You'll put in a little bit of a teapot, I like to call it. And now we're just going to sprinkle our powdered sugar over it. All right, so cool. While this is sitting now, I'm going to grab our cream cheese and it's on to the next step. All right, so I'm going to show you this. So I have a cream cheese and I've already actually laid another cream cheese. You'll squeeze out the second one. Get you a spoon. And you're just going to push down to the sides. Very, very easy. And that's what I did with the first one. Alright, so once we're here, what you'll do, you'll take a fruit coulis, you can buy this at the store, and I'm just going to do a little bit of a pattern. Just go back and forth. Get you a toothpick, and we're just going to run this up and down. It's going to give it a little bit of a marbling pattern here. And then after this, to make it look very, very beautiful, I'm going to start off with some raspberries. We're going to go on the outside, and what you're going to do, you're going to alternate them. One down, one up. One down, one up. All right, so once we have the last one, I'm going to place it there. Then I'm going to swap over to my blueberries. We're going to do the same thing because we're forming a little bit of a design. All right, so after our last one, what I'm going to do, I'm now going to place this in the refrigerator, let it set for 30 minutes. We're going to take our shell, place here. Now for our second layer, what I have is Chefclub vanilla ice cream. I just put it on a plate and made a disc out of it. Lift up, and then we're just going to put it right in the center. I'm going to take the last of our cream cheese, and all you got to do is push that onto it, just like so. Finish up with our powdered sugar right on top. And guess what, guys? You got one heck of a dessert ready for fall. You can see all the layers. Looks absolutely great.